Here is how we can fix the audio delay on the VLC video on Android. So let me talk about it and show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So whenever I get inside the VLC media player like this, you can see that if I tap on a video like that, right, I'm gonna hit pause like this, and it's just a random video from my gallery. But in order to change the audio delay, we need to tap on the subtitles icon in the bottom left like this. You can see we have some options of like changing the audio track and the subtitles and so on. But if you click on the audio like this, right, so I can disable it, but if I click on this, you can see that it expands the view right here, and I have the audio delay settings. So if I tap on this, you can see that we have the ability to choose the milliseconds of audio delay, which is obviously a little bit more of the professional settings, and by default I would personally keep it at 0 unless I need to change it to something else, but this is where you can find it. And also you have some things like the reset, right? So if you have anything changed, you can tap on reset, or you can apply the settings to all of the videos if you have other ones set to something else, right? So if the majority of my videos have troubles with the audio delay, I can click on reset and apply to all of my videos stored in here. So that is how it works. Let me know if you managed to fix the issue for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in the future uploads only if you subscribe, so do that, and I'll talk to you later.